Welcome everybody, Marcus Stone here. In this video I want to show you how you can create a flash effect in Adobe Premiere, and it's quite easy. So let's go. First you need two clips, and we are going to use the flash effect between these two. So first what you want to do is go here on a project, right click, new item, and choose adjustment layer. When you choose the adjustment layer, okay. Now right click on adjustment layer and choose speed and duration. When you're here, change the duration to 15 seconds. Like that. Wait a second. Yep. You can also edit it with a keyboard if you want. Okay. When you have it, now grab your adjustment layer and paste it. Right where is your transition, and I will just zoom in a little bit and just put it in the middle. You see? Now what you want to do is to click on your adjustment layer. We have it. Go to effects, and now right there, brightness. And you will see it here, brightness and contrast. Take it, choose it, and paste it on your adjustment layer like that. And now when we have it, it's like, okay, what I'm gonna do? What we want is to create a starting point, the starting keyframes. So click on the clock here, toggle animation on brightness and also on contrast. What you want to do now is to go like here to the middle and put it on 100 and contrast to 100. And now on the end, we will go to 0. And 0. And we will see how it goes. So let's see it. So this is how you create a flash effect. Yeah, I didn't want to do this, I'm sorry. You can also play around it. If you're gonna just choose brightness, like that, maybe it should be better. Yep. So let's see that if we change the contrast a little bit like that, it should be much more effective, I think. Let's see. So this is much better. Play with the contrast in your clips, between your clips, only because if you got different colors, the contrast can work differently, all right? So this is how you create it. If you like this video, you know what you have to do. You need to that subscribe button. Thank you very much, everybody. I just love this stuff so much. Goodbye. Bye-bye.